it's Mark, RPM Tesla. We're going to show you how to install our Model S and Model X center console tray with cup holders. So all these things right here, we're going to show you how nicely they get organized out of the way off the armrest. So let's take a look at what you got. So open up the box. You're going to find a nice plastic injection molded ABS tray, along with a couple of switches here, which we're going to explain to you. But it's a great solid tray, solid hard plastic with a nice soft edge here to make it fit inside real nice. So again, this is removable. You could take it in and out. You could put it in your trunk, take it out. Again, it does cover up the large cup holders. So let's show you how it fits and what it functions and how it'll function. So just slide it right in like this and push it down. It fits nice and snug. Now there are two functions of it being open. The first one is where you just have your drinks exposed. The second is where you can leave it open like that. And also, this only works on Model S and Model X where the center console is built in. It doesn't work on the temporary insert center console that they sold for a couple years. So this has to be a prefabricated 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and beyond only. Anyway, this is how it opens and closes. You just pull it harder to close all the way. It's designed like this to stick on the buttons. So if you have a drink in here or a water bottle, you still can keep it closed when you get out of the car. It's just a nice function. Now, when you press it open, obviously you can put other things inside, like a cell phone, so you're not tempted to look at it while you're driving. This is an iPhone 10, which is a little snug. Sunglasses on the left side, or the cans of Coke, and it's a great, affordable center console. So again, an iPhone 10 Max is a little tough to fit in here. You always can use a stand outside here, but again, this is just nice to keep things organized and you don't lose the cup holders inside the car. Many people have told us that these cup holders in the armrest, they're just not big enough, or they prefer to have the use of the soft leather or vinyl place to put their arm. So again, we do have the two cup holders, and now you have two more with organization inside the center console. Thanks again. These are in stock, now shipping, and another nice item from RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. And again, the buttons here are designed to stop the tray from closing, and then you just pull it to close it all the way. So it stops there going in. So the cups, you still have privacy for what's inside. Thanks again, and watch how easy it comes out. You just lift it out, and you could put it in your glove box, or you could put it in your trunk, and that way it's out of the way. Maybe it won't fit in the glove box. It is a little tall. But anyway, just put it back in. It slides in place. It doesn't move around. It's very secure. And it does have these nice foam pads on the sides. So you've got foam against felt. And again, great place. Keep all your things organized. Thanks again, RPM Tesla. This is Mark.